Hola amigos! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a useful topic, how to use Bing Chat as a Spanish translator. Let's get started. Begin by opening your browser and heading over to bing.com. And if you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so before we begin. Imagine effortlessly translating Spanish text into English using Bing Chat. It is as simple as stating, "Translate this in English," and hitting enter. Bing Chat responds promptly with an accurate English translation, unveiling the mystery behind the Spanish words. But the language exploration doesn't stop there. If you are so engrossed that you need to translate an English phrase to Spanish, the process remains consistently reliable. Just say, "Translate this to Spanish," and provide the English text. Watch as Bing Chat adeptly furnishes the correct Spanish translation. Keep in mind that while Bing Chat's capabilities are impressive, accuracy may vary, especially in challenging scenarios or sensitive language use. Seeking a second opinion is often advisable. Thanks for tuning in. Now, you are equipped to explore new languages and communicate across barriers with the help of Bing Chat. Until next time.